Hello world, welcome to my channel. I am Sahil and today I am going to show you how to create a comment system using Bootstrap 4, PHP and MySQLi. So before going to create this, let's take a look how the comment system works. So this is the final output. Here you can see I have a form with two fields, name and a comment box. We can post our comment through this form, and after posting the comment we can delete the comment using this delete icon, and we can also edit the comment using this edit icon. So let's try to post a comment first. So here I am writing the name and here the comment. Okay, so this is a test comment, and when I am clicking this post comment button, then you can see our comment has been displaying at the top of all the comment here. Okay, and you can see the name here and the current date is showing. Now if you want to edit this comment, then just click on this edit icon, and here you can see you can edit the name or you can edit the comment. So here I am editing the comment. So let's add a few words in this comment. So this is a simple comment system, and when I am clicking this update post, then you can see this comment has been updated with edited value. Okay, and if you want to delete this comment, then just click on this delete button or icon. Then you can see a confirm dialog box. Do you want to delete this record? Then if we click on this OK button, then you can see the comment has been deleted. So let's start and create this comment system. So just minimize this and let's create a folder inside htdoc folder first. So here create a folder, and I will keep the folder names comment dash system. Okay, now let's open this folder inside your editor, and let's create a file index.php. now here I will use Bootstrap 4 for designing purpose. So I will add the Bootstrap library here, and I will also use font awesome library because I will use some icons of font awesome. So let's go to the browser and open w3schools.com, and from here you just click on learn Bootstrap 4 and click on Bootstrap 4 get started. Now go below. Here you can see all the latest CDN links of Bootstrap 4. So just copy all the CDN links and paste here. Okay, we also need font awesome library. So just go to the browser and open fontawesome.com and click on start using free. Now from here you can see a CDN link. Just copy this CDN link and paste inside the head tag. Now write the title of this project. So I will write comment system using Bootstrap 4, PHP and MySQLi. Just save this and let's create our database and table for storing our comments. Okay, so open your PHP My Admin and click on new to create new database. So here I will write comment and click on create. Sorry, spelling mistake. Let's delete this. So from here you can delete this database, just drop. Okay, now again click on new and comment, click on create, and now inside this database I will create a table comments comment underscore table. Okay, now click on go. First columns is id, will be id of int type and length 11. Make this auto increment and primary. So and our next column is for name, that will be type varchar and length 100. Next is for comment and this will be type text. Okay, and the length will be 535. And our next column for dates, so I will write cur underscore date, and here I will use date type and in length just pass 6. Okay, now click on save. So our database and table is ready. Now go to the editor and now I will first create our form. So this is our form, so I will create this form by using Bootstrap 4. So let's close this and open our project by using localhost comment system. Okay, so by now this time is nothing in this index.php, so nothing is showing here. So let's code our form first. So let's give a class to this body tag bg dark for background color. Let's save and okay. So now inside this body let's create a container first, and inside this container I will create a row. Give one more class justify content center and create a column lg 5. Give background color bg light and make the column rounded, margin top 2 and border, sorry. Now inside this column first I will give a heading, write your comment, and I will just give some bootstrap class to this heading, text center padding 2. Okay, now let's refresh. Then here you can see the heading. Now inside this heading, below this heading I will create our form. So in action I will use index.php and method I will use post, and I will also use bootstrap class padding 2. Okay, now inside this form tag first I will create a div form group, and inside this form group I will create a input type text name and class form control, and I will use rounded 0 and placeholder, enter your name. This will be required field, and save this and go to your browser, refresh. So here you can see the name field. Now inside this we will design our comment box. So div form group. Now inside this form group I will use text area, text area, name comment, and just delete all these things and just give Bootstrap class form control and rounded 0. Give a placeholder, write your comment here, and make this required field also, and save this. Go to the browser and refresh. Now just below this text area I will create our button. So just submit name, submit class button primary, and rounded 0 value I will keep value post comment, just refresh this. Now here you can see the button. Now in this part I will code to show the success message. So just go here and just here I will create a heading tag h6, and here I will write some message hello, or I will generate it dynamically and so using PHP later. So by this time let's give some Bootstrap class float right, and here I will use lead and text success padding 2. Okay, just remove this lead and just use h5. This is looking good. Now just delete the hello. I will show the success message dynamically using PHP here. So for this time let's keep this blank. Now our form is ready. Now just below our form we will display all the comments that is present in our database table. Okay, so for this let's go to here, and I will just create one more row just below this row. Okay, you can see this is the ending of the row, and here we will create a new row and just keep justify content center and create this column, and here just keep rounded for rounded corner, BG light for background color, padding 3, and yes. Now inside this column I will show all the comments from the database. So for this I will do it later. Now first I will code to insert the record when we write the name or write the comment here and click on post comment. Then our data will be saved in this table. So for this, just go to the editor and here just create a new file, config.php, and here I will write my PHP script for connecting to the database. So here I will create a new variable con, and I will use MySQLi, and here I will write localhost username password, and here you have to write the database name. So our database name is comment. Our database name is comment. So write the database name here, and you can check by using if statement. If connection has some error, connect error, then we can simply show a message using this dive function, connection failed, and simply show the message, error message, using this object connect error. Okay, save this and close this. Now let's create one more file, action.php. okay, now in this action.php we will first write the code for inserting the comment into the table. So for this I will first include the config.php at the top here, and now here I will use a if statement. If it's set post submit, if this post comment button is clicked, then after this if a statement will execute. So here I will create a variable name, and I will grab the value from the name input field and store in this name variable using this super global variable post. Okay, so here we have to write the name attribute field value, and now I will create one more for comment, and just use the same comment, and one more is for date. So here I will use date function, and in format I will use capital Y for year, small m for month, and D for date. Okay, now I will write the query insert into comment table. Comment table is the name of our table, and here we have to write the column names. So name comment current underscore date. Okay, now here we have to write values, and let's pass the variable for name and for comment and for date. Okay, now we have to execute this query. So here I will use if, and by using this connection variable I will use query and pass this SQL. Now here I will use a variable message and store the message, successful message here, posted successfully, and if any error will occurs, then I will show the error message. Fail to post comment or anything you want to display. Okay, so we have to globally create this variable. So just above the top we have to create this variable. Okay, now go to the index.php and at the top just include using this require this action.php. so action.php. okay, save and save. Okay, now go to the browser, refresh this, and let's try to add a comment. So here I will use Wolfmania. This is a comment from Wolfmania. Okay, when I am clicking on post comment and checking on the table, then you can see here the comment is stored in the table. Okay, so now the success message is not showing because we have not printed here. So let's use PHP shorten tag and call the message variable here, and let's post one more comment. So this time I will use my name Sahil Kumar, and I will write some random like lorem. So just copy this text, delete and paste here. So you can see the success message posted successfully, and let's check the table. So yes, the comment has been also stored in the table. Now we have to fetch these comments here just below the form. So for this we have to go here, and here we have to write the PHP script for selecting all the comments from the table and display here. So for this I will use PHP, and here I will write a SQL query, select all from comment table, order by ID descending. Okay, and I will create one more variable result, and by using this connection variable I will use query and pass this SQL here. I will run a while loop create a variable inside this while loop, and using this result I will use this fetch sop method, and just now here I will create a card, bootstrap card. So let's create a bootstrap card div and give some class card and margin bottom 2 and border secondary for border. Now here I will create card header. So here I will use card header, and I will use background color of the header BG secondary, and I will use py for padding top and bottom 1, and I will use text light for white color of the text. Now inside this heading tag header I will use span tag, and here I will write posted by here I will show the name using this PHP shorten tag by using this row variable name. Okay, name, and just give some bootstrap class to this. So here I will use font italic. Now I will show one more thing using another span tag. Just give a bootstrap class float right and font italic. Now inside this we will show the date, so on, and here using PHP shorten tag I will show the current date. Okay, now this is the header part. Now we have to create the body of the card. So here I will write card body. Okay, and I will use padding top and bottom 2. Okay, now inside this I will use a paragraph tag and gives class card text, and inside this I will use bootstrap shorten tag, and here I will write the comment column name to display the comment from the table. Now inside this card body I will create card footer. So I will use card footer and padding top and bottom 2, and now here I will create one more div and just use float right, and here create a anchor tag. In anchor tag I will use action.php question mark del equal to php and so the id here. Okay, and I will use some bootstrap bootstrap class text danger, and here I will use margin right 2, and here I will write on click on click return confirm, on click return confirm. Do you want to delete this comment? Okay, do you want to delete this comment? And then I will use title delete. Now inside this I will use font awesome icon. So here I will use I tag, and in class I will use FAS trash. Okay, save this and let's create one more for edit. So here again I will write action. Here I will use index.php question mark edit equal to PHP, and here I will show the ID and class text success, and here I will use title edit, and here I will use font awesome icon FAS edit. Okay, now save this, go to the browser, refresh. Sorry, we have some error, syntax error on index line number 73. So we have not closed this while loop, so we have to close here. Okay, so just use PHP tag and close it here and refresh. Now you can see all the comments here. So just refresh, so you can see here. Go to this place and you can simply give margin bottom 2. Okay, now this is looking good. Okay, now let's try to post a comment. So posting a comment is working fine. Now only we have to do for editing and deleting this comment. Okay, and this is displaying perfectly. All right, now go to the editor, and for deleting the comment just go to the action.php. You can see here we have created a anchor tag with action.php and del, and we are showing the id. So we will delete the comment for this id, particular id. Okay, so first we will grab the id from this link. So go to the action.php, and here I will use if it's set Now this time we will use get super global variable because we are grabbing from a link. Okay, so here we have to write del, and we just have to store the id into a variable id and use the same and write del here. Now just run a SQL query delete from comment table where id equal id. Okay, now execute this query. So here I will use if con query SQL and I will just redirect to the same page location index.php using this header function. Save this and go to the browser, refresh. Now you can see let's delete this. So you can see this confirm box, click on OK, then you can see the comment has been deleted. Delete this also, deleted, delete this, deleted. So deleting is working fine. Now we have to work on this edit icon. So for this, just in the same action.php, just below this use one more if statement and write exit function. Again we will use super global variable get, and now this time we will use this edit, and here I will grab the id in this variable id using this super global variable get, and here we have to pass edit, run a query SQL select asterisk from comment table where id equal id. Okay, just execute this. So here I will create a variable result, and using this con variable I will execute this query SQL, and I will create one more variable row, and by using this result variable I will use this fetch sock method, and now I will create variable for id equal to row and grab the value from the table and store in this variable u underscore id. Same for name, so I will create u underscore name, and here I will use row name u underscore comment row comment. Okay, and okay, now save this. So we have to make all these variable globally by default empty. So just copy and paste here and make all the variable empty by default. So just declare here, and also create one more variable update equal to true. Okay, and here just create update equal to false. Okay, now here we will create, go to the index.php, and in form tag, inside the form tag I will create a hidden input field, and name, id, value, php, and here I will print u underscore id, and in name let's use value attribute, and here just print u underscore name, and in text area we will use u underscore comment variable. Okay, now we will also change this button dynamically. When we click on the edit icon, then the previous value will be showing in the input field and text area, and we will also change the post comment button to update comment. Okay, so for this I will use PHP if update equal true, then just delete. Then we will create a button, one more button, input type submit, name update, and class button success, button success rounded 0, value update comment, update comment, and here I will use PHP, close this, and here I will use else, open curly brace, delete here, and just here I will close this else statement. When we just go to the browser, I will show you, refresh. Now when I am clicking this edit button, then you can see the previous values is the previous data is showing in the field, and button has also been changed. Okay, now when we click on this update comment button, then these values will be updated in the table. So for this I will use this update button, not this submit button. Okay, so now again go to the action.php, and this time I will code just below, and I will use one more if statement, and here I will use each set function, and this time I will use post super global variable, and write the update. Now this time we are targeting this update button, so when the update button is clicked, then I will use this id, and here I will grab the id. You can see I have just created a hidden input uh, input tag, and here I will showing the previous I'm showing the currently clicked edit edit comment ID. Here you can see. Now just go to the action.php, and for name just grab from the same input field name. For comment just use the same comment, and date ymd. Okay, now I will run a query update comment table, set name equal to this name, and comment equal to comment equal to comment current date equal to date where id equal to id. Okay, now I will execute this query. If con query SQL, then I will show the message edited successfully. Okay, you can also show the error message in else part, but I'm not showing. So all the codes are finished. Now just go to the browser and check from the scratch. So now let's try to post a comment testing. This is a test comment. Now when I click this post comment, then the comment is displaying here. Now click on this edit button, then you can see the button has been changed, and this is the previous data of the comment. Now I will this is a comment system, and update comment edited successfully, and the comment is also edited. Here you can see in the database also. Okay, and let's try to delete. So deleting is also working fine. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for latest update of my videos.